Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at the 20-litre backpack from Xiaomi. Usually you'd think of phones when you think of Xiaomi, but they mark the Japanese brand Muji and make a lot of different products other than phones. You can get this backpack from many places online, but I've linked to a listing from Banggood, and you can use the coupon in the description to get $23 off the price until the end of June 2020, bringing the total price down to around $28 US. So taking a look at the bag, it's made from a faux leather type of polyester fabric. This makes it very highly water repellent, but it's not completely waterproof. Water still will eventually leak in through the zippers and the seams. One of my favorite features of this bag is just how lightweight it is for a 20-litre backpack. It weighs only 490 grams or about 1 pound. It has a nice assortment of pockets and a kind of hidden water bottle pocket on either side, which I found also perfectly fit my compact umbrella quite nicely. There's also a small zippered pocket on the front which I used for my charging cable. On the back of the bag is a nice padded panel which will help with airflow, and there's also a strap which helps to slip it against a rolling suitcase while traveling. Just beside that is a hidden pocket where you could store cash or your passport, and I've just stored a field notes notebook here. Inside the main compartment there's a slip pocket which fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop, and two smaller pockets on the front which I have stored my power bank and some antibacterial wipes. And then just the 20-litre main compartment. I was able to fit my usual clothing cube, tech pouch and toiletry kit inside the bag, as you can see, with room to spare. So aside from the lack of a sternum strap, the other thing I didn't really like about this bag's straps were that although they're very comfortable, they don't have a lot of adjustment. On one hand, I like the way that the straps are designed in such a way so they don't leave the dangly bits hanging, but I don't like how little adjustment there is. Even with the straps as short as they could go, or as tight as they could be, I still felt that the bag could be a little higher on my back. Overall, for the price, I think it feels like a really durable and well-made little backpack, which could definitely be used as a one bag, but I think it might be best suited as a daily backpack for school or an office backpack. Please leave a comment down below what is your favorite day bag, and also be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.